So this session will focus on chevrons. So the chevrons, you can see, have been used in the block at the top of the screen here. And these are cut at a 45-degree angle before we start sewing them together. So if I was to cut the first starting angle here, and what I want to do is just position the ruler so that I've just got the point of the fabric on the edge here. I don't want to waste more fabric than I need to. So again, we press our stitching line and then flip it up, press into the dark side again. And what you can see here is that our chevron is nicely aligned, okay, in a nice straight line here.